welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making baklava, so let's begin. So I have some Filo pastry here, some melted butter and some crushed almonds and pistachios. To begin with, I'm going to brush some melted butter on the Filo pastry. Now I'm going to sprinkle the mixed nuts over. So I'm going to roll the pastry, so I'm just using anything that I have in the kitchen. So I'm going to do another layer now and repeat the process. So I'm going to now gather this together like this. So I'm going to now place this in my tray and then repeat the process. This is now ready. I'm going to pop this in the oven on a gas mark 4 for 25 minutes. Okay, so we're going to now make the syrup. So for the syrup we need 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. So I'm going to allow the water to come to the boil, and once the sugar has dissolved I'm going to leave it to simmer for 5 minutes. Once the syrup is done, I'm going to remove it from the heat. This is now out of the oven and the syrup is now ready. So I'm just going to pour the syrup over the baklava. So I'm just going to allow the syrup to soak for a couple of hours. Here we go, our finished baklava. Hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks guys for watching.